Hello everyone, uh, welcome to HQ again. So welcome back. So we're gonna try to continue our stream from yesterday. So today I'm thinking of strictly going by our 1 hour stream, so let's not go past that. So let's go with 1 hour streams from today. So spitballs, how are we with it? Let's open code. I forgot to do this. Let's open VS Code and okay, so now let's go to open code and taking a while. Okay, all right, now let's see what can we do with our new application. So let's just try to run the app. Okay, I think we didn't doing tag and CSS for CSS. I don't think, did we? I don't remember doing PNPM. Did we do PNPM? I don't think we did. Then what is it doing? It's trying to install. Don't do that then. Like, wait. So just say make, let's say I want to use PNPM instead of NPM. Update the code to use NPM. Okay, so we got updated, so now we are in PNPM. So I believe we could just say PNPM dev and yeah. Oh, okay. What file is up today? Resolutions, dev skip, and okay, macro builds. Which one is to build? Okay, bench so this package will now be built. Okay, let's approve. Okay, PNPM dev. Yep, now it's up and running. Let's try to log in. Okay, now we are in Spitball. So we got our Spitball ready here. Okay, now I'm just gonna open an incognito window. Okay, now I got in the Spitball. Now we got the base app ready. Now what we'll do is we'll just try to go through our Git repository and create a new repository for this. Let's open our GitHub. Alright, now let's create a new repository. So the repository is gonna be Spitball. I hope, oh, it's available. I thought it's not available. Okay, great. So we got our repository. Okay, public, start with the template, readme, git ignore. I don't think so. Let's just create the repository. Okay, so now we got the repository. We can just go and connect this. So we could just do this. We'll just connect it to our I think we already have git here. Okay, git remote. I don't have a remote added, so let's just add the remote now. Git remote. So we copied the command. Okay, now git remote yep, we are up and running now. So git status. Okay, so we got all the files. Okay, now we are just gonna say git add. We'll just check if we have any secrets. Storage rules. Okay, do we need to send these? I forgot how do we do storage rules. I don't think we need to send these up. Let's remove those. I don't want those to be sent out, so we'll remove all those things. Okay, so we're just gonna let's just get our git ignore, and we're gonna add those files. We're gonna say, I think .env is already there, so that's fine. I'm just gonna remove all the first or all the rule files, so we'll just remove all the rules. Okay, so now I think this should go. Yep, so now these are not treated to go into git, so that's good. So okay, now we can just push all of this git right. Alright, let's just check what do we have. Alright, that's fine. So we'll just commit git commit first. This is our first commit to git, so we're just gonna, now we can just push it to master. Oh, okay, what happened? Thought I did git push on master. Git remote free. Okay, that should work. Oh, I think I have to add the upstream. My bad. Okay, now that's rejecting me for some reason. Interesting. I thought I had, oh, this is SSH. I do have SSH. Interesting. So can you do this? Oh, it's working. I believe something went wrong there. Yep, so now that's up and running. So we got our first commit sent out, so that's good. So now what's our next step? So GitHub, we have updated it to GitHub. Now what we'll do is we'll just try to improve the UI, mainly in this place, right? So let's just sign in first. So what's going to be the sign in for this? So we'll just I think we already have a few user accounts, so we'll go into authentication. Okay, get our email ID, and then we just use that, and the password, I forgot the password. Great. Yep, so now we are in. Okay, now we could just go into incognito, sign in, football@mail.com. Hopefully that's the password. Oh, I forgot the password. What's the password? I guess I forgot the password. Oh, that's Quill. Oh, my bad. with. Okay. Okay, we are in now. Alright, so now we are gonna go here and let's improve the UI now. So whenever I do a refresh, I'm getting a flash of that sign in screen and whatever. I don't want to see that. So let's start with that. So I am getting a flash of sign in message when I do a refresh after I was already authenticated. Can I fix that? I think it should basically go and create a loader and then add a loader over there. So let's see what it's gonna do. So okay. Problem is all 3 pages straight were defined as not signed in, but state returns undefined. So see, I told you, right? So basically what it's gonna do is it's just gonna create a loader until the state is mounted. Then it's just gonna say that okay, it's loading, it's authenticated. So that's what's created. So user auth loading, and if auth is loading, then do a loader. Otherwise, show the page. So show the page, and then go to whatever we need. So same thing everywhere, uploading. But why are you not using a store for this? Are we using a store? Auth state, this auth from client, fine. But why is it not using a centralized state for this? It's not using a centralized state. Alright, I think that also we should fix. So for now it's gonna work. Yep. Oh, your quilt is empty. That message is coming up. I am seeing another flash message that your quilt is empty. Okay. Let's see what will it do. I think it should use a store or something. It's not using the store. So here we have a store. This is the app state. But okay, this is to set the user, but where is the okay, it's not doing the authentication store, so we need to fix that. Okay, so the refresh and loading, I'm still seeing the flash. Okay, yeah, now that's good. That's working somehow. And why are we getting this invalidate? Oh, is this the concept? Oh, that's the gradient for okay. It looks good in mobile, I guess. So yeah, it did kind of. Oh, it's broken. Great. So I think it started with mobile. That's why it's looking a bit better in mobile. It's not bad in desktop, but it's fine. So let's just ask for a better global state for authentication. I don't see a good global auth system in place, like a context API or suspend or React query being used anywhere. Why? Let's see what's the answer we'll get. Okay, you're right, it's a gap. It exists now. Auth is handled entirely by React, call independently in every page component that needs it. Each page does. There is a stand store that was created for auth but never wired up. Oh, it's dead code. Great. Problem with use state per page. Every page independently calls auth use auth state, so each has to handle auth learning and separately. The flash issues were just fixed. No single source of truth for is the author. User logged in components unit. Okay. Options for a proper global auth solution. The stand context, just clean up the stand store. Okay, my recommendation option 3, activate the stand. Yeah, you have it, you should use it. Why are you not using it? Use option 3 and make this better. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, activate the stand auth store with the auth state change listener. Create auth provider component that syncs Firebase auth. Wire auth provider into app layout. Replace auth use auth state in all pages components with the stand state. Remove React Firebase hooks dependency. Oh, it's using purely React Firebase hooks. Why are you using it? Why do we even need this? I think this is like very old, not old, sorry, but yeah, I don't think we need it, or maybe we could use it in a different way. See, I haven't used React Firebase hooks before. I just use raw Firebase hooks, but here it's showing up something else. Okay, so it's doing something, so let's wait for it to do that. And that's a lot of code, I think. Okay, auth provider. Okay, auth provider, fine. Canvas. Auth state user, fine. Okay, it's creating the state for that. Fine. Circle ID, similar thing I think. So get Firebase DB client, okay. Same thing here, that's okay. Page client auth state, okay, that's fine. So see, I don't think you need, I think it's using this set once. So let's go to auth provider. This is a context. State changed from Firebase auth, Firebase client app store, auth provider. It's just creating a wrapper component, so that's fine. Okay, so we are having these states here for loading the auth state and setting the user, so that's fine. Set loading. Okay, set user auth state. Now it just mapped everything into auth state, so that's good. So let's go back. Is it done? Yep, it's done. So now we will not have any problems. So could create a new one also. And okay, can we create a new one? Okay, let's use this thumbnail image. Okay, live, maybe YouTube and AI. Okay, let's give something colorful. Is that colorful? Maybe, I don't know. Let's try something. That's taking up a long time to load. Okay, so that's done. I'm getting this invalid date. Okay, need to see why are we getting invalid date instead of date in the preview of the fill. These are fine, only this is the problem. Okay, okay. Is it compressing the image? I don't think it's compressing the image. Okay, so let's see if it's compressing it or not. I'm not sure if it's actually compressing it also. So let's go to storage and see if it's compressed. Okay, that's JPEG 392 KB. Which photograph is that? So I think it's compressing the image. I don't think it's rather different. Let's try to. Okay, let's try to open this. Yeah, that's 2.5 MB and it's compressed to something 392, so that's good. So that's not a problem, but still the loading of the image is very slow for some reason. I think this is Firebase slowness, I guess. So now let's figure out a best way to make this UI better. Okay, so let's go to dribble. Let's just say where did you hide product design? Okay, we'll search for something like modern app, maybe not modern website design. Okay, all these are landing pages. Great, the things which we don't need. Okay, let's ask for a Sasa. Okay, this looks a bit Miller. That's too simple. Let's see, what do we got here? Okay. Well. I don't think this is having much of that. Let's try something. So let's just ask, what is this recommend? Can you make the theme and the UI UX modern and beautiful and very interactive, maybe? Let's see what's the answer. Let me explore. Okay, it's just going through every possible. No provider available. What happened? Okay, explore task, reading all the files. Fine. Now I have a full picture. Before I plan the redesign, a few questions. Okay, what vibe or aesthetic are you going for? This will drive the entire design language. Okay, warm and playful, soft gradients, rounded shapes, warm tones, feels personal and creative like a journal. Clean typography, lots of white space, muted colors, feels like a premium magazine. Okay, vibrant colors, strong contrast, dynamic layouts, feels energetic and confident. I guess we'll go with the recommended. Should we add frame of motion for animations? It's the standard for React micro interactions, phase transitions, hover effects, modal animations. Add frame of motion, CSS only for animations. So I want, okay, let's take frame of motion. How far should are we redesigning? Yeah, we are redesigning. We are just going through the redesign process now. So how far should the visual overhaul go? Full redesign, polish existing, new color palette, custom components, animation. You know what, let's do a full redesign. Let's see what's it gonna say. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, I think it's in planning, so I need to change it to build. So here's my plan for a full warm and playful redesign with frame of motion. Design system, tailwind config, primary, background surface, text as accent. Okay, let's see the primary. What is it suggesting? What's the current actually? Let's just see what's the current. Export. Why Google? Why don't you read my mind at some point? Okay, currently it is red. I don't think it's red. Is it red? Why are you suggesting something different? Instead of blue 600. Oh, okay, it's just suggesting this one. Okay, fine, I'm good with that. Okay, warm is like, okay, reddish and oranges. Okay, fully we are going full on sun mode. Okay, soft purple. Okay, typography keep guys, but improve hierarchy with tighter tracking, larger contrast between headings and body. Okay, I haven't used guys by default in any application. Let's go with the default then. Frame of motion, navigation, glass morphic, mobile bottom bar with backdrop blur, active indicator fill animation, subtle icon scale on top, desktop sidebar, gradient accent, okay, centered card, okay, fine, center page, okay, cool card, masonry, okay. This I don't believe it will do. It's going to be reordered, I guess. I'm not sure if it will do. I have an experience where it couldn't do it. Maybe it will do now. I'm not sure. Let's just see. Cells, subtle shadow, okay, okay. Football detail, modal content, fine. Circle kind of real-time feed with items that animate in from the side with when news footballs are. Okay. Okay, that's a lot of promises. So this better be good when I look at it. So yep, proceed. Let's see what it will do. Okay, I think it will take a lot of time. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like almost 10 tasks. Okay. Well, I think in the meanwhile you could do something else. What can we do? What can we do? Let's just should we try out the jokes again? Yesterday I wasn't very jokey about it. Programming humor. Okay, let's see. Programmer writing comments. Open box before eating. Okay. Open box before eating pizza. Someone. Okay. Photoshop. Just Photoshop people know coding. Well, I know it. Maybe people might know. I don't know. True story. Protocols then. TCP, IP, DHCP, HTTP, TLS. Everyone is so bulked up. Protocols now. MCP, 8 skills.md, a literal wiki. Okay, that sounds like a Monday problem. Me casually waving goodbye to the office at 4:59 p.m. right after committing a change directly to production. Oh my god. Who's gonna be on call when something goes wrong? Oh my goodness. So this guy just literally created a horrible mistake. Great. Which one you use more? These are okay. This doesn't happen in India. Why it doesn't happen in India? It might happen in India. We don't know. Print statements, debugger, LLDB. What's LLDB? I what's LLDB? I didn't get it. Print statements. I didn't get what it is. Casually print statements, but when you get desperate or the project is too big, a debugger is great. I can tell you this after 30 years in the industry. If anyone tells you a debugger is a waste of time, You should never take any of their advice. Maybe. Windows fundamentals for legacy PCs. Devs naming an app. macOS, Swoop, Windows, Internet Manager 6, Extreme, Linux. Oh my god. Okay. There's no point in philosophizing about something so obvious. Optimist, the glass is half full. Pessimist, the glass is half empty. Programmer, this is a this is a glass. Okay. When you ask someone a Boolean question and they return a string. Okay, I get it. I got the comedy. You cannot become a good programmer by prompting. You don't learn to swim by reading about water. Okay. Average SQL enjoyer. SQL programmers be like. Okay. Yeah. Every time caps lock is the thing for SQL programmers. Yeah, that's true. Whether I don't know, just check outside. Just imagine, just as an April Fool's prank, if Windows does this, what's gonna happen? Does people still complain when Microsoft? I don't know. People are always complaining about Microsoft. Even I just literally switched to Ubuntu right now. Most part of the like, I'm mostly using Ubuntu. I don't know how to use it, but I'm just using it because Microsoft just made my PC slower. Maybe my PC is very slow because of the aged components, but still, Ubuntu is very faster compared to Windows. So yeah, that's a win for Ubuntu now. I mean Linux community. Yeah. So the battle of else. Which one are you? Else. Interesting. So what do I do? Usually I tend to do this in JavaScript and this in .NET. So I don't know, maybe I'm dual selected. I believe. Just vibe coding, vibe debugging. Yeah, vibe debugging is it's weirdly insane. Once you fix something and you need to unfix something, and you literally create a lot of code over there. That's a problem. When you haven't even gone to sleep yet and you already can't wait to come home from work tomorrow. That happens. Real. Still I can do it in less number of lines. Import Java. I don't know. The only reason I hate Java is the sheer number of lines we have. I mean, I don't know why it's so lengthy. .NET is much far better than that. And here we are comparing the very extremes with Python and Java. Those are like two, like those are like opposite sides of the poles, like too drastic. In a world where AI writes all the code and nobody reviews it, the most valuable developers would be QA and test engineers. Yeah, is that true? True in a sense, but still devs also need to do something, do some debugging, right? I maybe not. I'm kind of quite in 50-50 over there, so I don't know. Teaching Python. Tiger in the flight deck. The lack of context here is thrilling. Introductory Python programming course. Just imagine explaining Python to someone who doesn't know about Python or the whole programming. Like, that's real. Like, people might go into different zones after listening to this. 200 OK, page not found, back end, front end. 200 OK, 200 OK with what's that? Error internal server status file. Status file, great. When you realize ASAP can also mean as slow as possible. Yep, acronyms can be reframed, revisited. You could remake them. What is this? Today we launched ChatGPT. Try talking with it here. What are we doing here? Okay. Okay. What am I seeing this? What am I seeing here? Oh. Okay. Where's the programming? Programming doesn't exist anymore. Just prompt engineering. At least according to these juggle funks. Okay, I'm so done. Sam Altman is the Antichrist. It's crazy that the one footage about life is actually a video game. Yep, that's true. Bin cat. Career path. You can do it. Okay, senior, you can do it. Junior, promotion. Ooh, okay. And fall off. Here's some tutorials. Wow. Great. What is it? What started as a you okay. Okay. What is this? What's the joke? Improvise, adapt, overcome. This looks really familiar, like flashback in the Macromedia days. The style looks like ZID's landing. I don't use it. What is this? Is this an actual? Yeah, it looks like an UI, but it also looks like a drawing. What is this? Are we getting pranked over here? Maybe, maybe not. Having more than 0 modern IDs. The whole thing is filled up. Yeah, this happens with Android Studio. You just need Android Studio. That will fill up the whole local disk. That's true. I face this. Okay, so Android Studio, Visual Studio, .NET, C#. Okay, these are enough to like yeah, Windows. Yeah, that's true. The whole thing, the package, that's horrible. Other people with AI, random IT guy at 3 a.m. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's us. We are doing it right now. Oh, I think it's done. So what are we doing here? Okay, I think I see the slick animations over there. I like the animations. Oh, okay. That I like the fluidity of these. These are pretty good. Oh, I like the moving color gradient over here. Oh, that looks good. That looks actually very good. Okay. I thought it's gonna do something to this, but fine. It's okay. Like a new. Okay. Circles. Okay, if I go to a circle, no spitballs today. Friends haven't shared yet. I thought maybe I'll have it here. Oh, is this going to be shared every day? Oh, I think the circles is not there, right? I think it's not yet implemented, so I forgot to implement that now. Okay, first let's just make that preview better. Can we make the preview part of the 12 model better than what we have now? Okay, I think it's gonna take a while. Let's go back. Okay, one must think of sort to be okay. Let's go to a bit easier one. Okay, infinity has a lot of zeros. How is infinity represented in JavaScript? Infinity, none of the above, while loop with unfulfilled condition. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same phase maybe. I don't know the answer. The correct answer is D, none of the above. The notation is infinity. Why is that funny? Well, to be fair, the buggy eyes are kind of funny. Yeah, but that's just mean pick. What? Do you even write code? Okay, I'm just gonna pass it gracefully. So the legacy code base from 2012 written by a developer who left years ago. Me, phone a friend please. Okay, me trying to introduce a modern framework to the project. Wait a second. The legacy code base from 2012 written by a developer who left years ago. Okay, we're trying to introduce a modern framework to the project. Okay. So the owner will always refuse what he's gonna do. So yeah, that happens. You know. List equals 1 2 3 4 def square. Okay, fine. And this well, everyone has their own way. Everyone has their own way. Corporate Slack 1000 messages. Can you hop on a quick Zoom call? Imagine happening. Learning programming on YT, learning programming in university, learning programming on YouTube. That's bliss. Learning everything in YouTube is bliss. Like I literally learned a lot from YouTube. Like literally. Pupil of your eye can expand over 45% when you see something you love. Code compiled. Okay, I just can't take this. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty funny when you forget the where collage. Let me just quickly refactor this real quick. The production database. It's gone. C# be like no hate on C#. It's awesome. Some random class with super duper niche use and super long name. Some value that was used once in 2010 because of a typo from NetDev and it has a some random method that has never been used because no one knows what it is and what it does with a very long name. Yeah, I tend to see, I mean, not this much big, but yeah, quite a average number of bigger ones. Not that big, but yeah, I did see. Okay, okay, this looks kind of fine. What's I like the fluidity of it, but it's not perfect, but it works. It's not that bad actually. Why do we have 1, 2, 3 dots? Okay. Okay, now let's just implement the share logic. Can you implement the share to circle feature? Let's see what will it do. Okay. Sorry, Jaja, the ability to prompt does not make you a dev. Yeah, because I don't know how to prompt properly. I just go by what I know and what it understands. So I'm not a great prompter, no, you know, and I know. Front-end devs, when they discover that designers don't have to make responsive designs. Oh my goodness. It makes the red quickly go away. Not to worry, I have a permit. Let foo any. Okay. Well, I did this. I think I did this now. I mean, the project is not like it's a it's a it's sample project, but yeah, I did it. I kinda did it because it asked me. So that's why I did it. But yeah, it's not a good idea to share the env file. So yeah, that's a bad idea. HP printer, most useless printer ever. HP DeskJet 2820. Stake it before I launch it. What's the problem with DeskJet? Oh, is this the subscription one? DeskJet 2820. Let's see. What is special about? Why have I enabled all-in-one printer from what? I didn't get. I think I didn't get it. How can HP still be allowed? I'm quite happy with my HP laptop, but here for printers, whether it is highly upgraded, oh yes, my printer is not working. What brand? HP reinstall the drivers, but reinstall the drivers. It's like that. The series called, I think it's IT. Is that IT Crowd? I guess it's IT Crowd. It's like that. Please restart your PC or some kind of a dialogue over there. Oh, so HP printers are bad. I think I'm missing the context here because I don't
What's
use
up,
a
dude?
HP
I'm your
printer.
genie. You know the rules. Can't wish for love, death, more wishes. You can wish for death if you really want to. Like, I'm chill with it. But other than that, go wild. Can I wish for less wishes? I guess, yeah, you can wish for less wishes. like an idiot. Oh, but I'm not an idiot, because surely the wish servers weren't designed to hold negative numbers of wishes, because who would wish for negative wishes? So if I start with 3 wishes and then I wish for negative 3 wishes, the act of wishing will bring me down to 2 wishes, and the wish itself will bring me down to negative 1, thus causing an overflow error in the wish servers, bringing me up to the highest possible integer value of wishes available by the data type. Yeah, maybe, man. I don't know. I don't work server-side development. I'm just customer service. I wished for negative 3 wishes added to my total number of wishes after I make this wish and am brought down to 2 wishes. Oh, that's complicated wording. I guess you know how the genie shit works. Okay. You've got 3 wishes still. Still just 3 oh my god. It's a 2-bit data type. I don't know what that means, but it's really cool that you made a wish that did nothing. I've never seen that before. Okay, I wish for the data type that holds the number of wishes a person can have to be updated from 2 bits to, like, I don't know, 64.
64.
Sounds like my bosses are gonna have to create a new rule, but okay. Okay, and you have, 2 wishes, and I don't notice a difference, so good luck, sir. Okay, now I wish to have negative 2 wishes added to my total number of wishes after the making of this wish brings my total number of wishes down by 1. Again with the egregious specificity, you're no fun. Alright, now you have 18 million trillion give or take wishes. So, like, good for you, man. Fuck! Yeah!
He cracked the code. He literally cracked the code of the wishes. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, it did something. Okay, new components appears on the entry page below the. Okay, share to circles, entry page, split editor, faster rules. You need to deploy the. Okay, so I need to deploy the rules again. Why didn't you say that in the beginning? Okay, let's go. Let's get this out. Let's copy. Let's go to. Is that the DB? I think the DB. Yep. Let's just add the. Let's just add this. Alright, that's done. So let's just go and refresh. Okay, new spitball. Okay. Okay, how do I share this now? Okay, I didn't. Oh, I should I go inside and click on spitball and then click new image? Is that how it works? Let's try again. Try trees and what's this? The road, the sky maybe. Let's give greenish. Oh, here it is, the share to circles. Okay, submit. Yep, the new UI looks good, very good. Okay, so why the images are very slow? Okay, so I guess now we have this circle ready, and each circle will have multiple images. So if we go to another account and go to this circle, hey, yay, we got a shareable circle. What is this? The spitball. So yep, so we got the basic feature ready now. So the next thing, we just need to see what's left next in the inventory, the next MVP features. So what are the next features in the MVP? What's missing? Okay. Let it think. We'll just go back to our jokes again. What's your address? No, your local address 127.0.0. I mean your physical. Okay, that's really funny. I liked it. This is Bill. Bill is a programmer. Bill do not comment his code. He thinks if it was hard to write, it should be hard to read. Bill is smart. Be like Bill. Well, I think I'm Bill. I don't write much comments. So maybe I'm Bill. Wow. So there are a lot of Bills out there then. If this is getting popular, then that's great. 3 a.m. thoughts be like. He's probably thinking about other women. Why is it called pull request, not mother? Okay, that's that's pretty funny. Fat pointers. Why do I don't have a zoom feature? I need to read. Okay, let's just zoom it. Stack mod 3 object calculate modular code. Fat pointers. Okay, is it okay? So critical broken UX without the sign out button. What? So you didn't create a sign out button now? Sign out button, entry page with guard, delete spitball, remove debug console, deleted code. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so these are going to be our next steps. We're gonna start these tomorrow. So stay tuned for what's gonna happen to our very unique, very new AI made built with AI Spitball. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for tuning into HNSHQ and watching for an hour, I believe. Yeah, it's an hour. So tomorrow same time, 10:30 p.m. IST. So let's make this app well worth it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.